Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Monster move today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume. Earnings were out, and apparently the market really liked the earnings. So definitely a lot of eyeballs going to be on this one next week. So let's first start off with some levels of support. First level is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above 685. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 685, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here around the $6.60 mark. So 685 and 660, two of the near term levels. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as next week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 685 would be a huge sign of power, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? First level, nothing fancy behind it at all other than the fact of where the party finally stopped today, and that was right up there at about $7.45. Although if the price can break through there, where's this next level at? So I'm going to have to squeeze down the chart quite a bit. So the chart's going to get hard to see, but this is a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into the chart's history. There we go. So after that 745 mark, the next key overall level of resistance right up is going to be right up there at $7.60, and that's, coming from highs from way back there on June 10th. So literally a couple months ago. So it's been a long time since the price has been up this high. But all in all, any way you look at it, monster move today, monster volume. Now it's just a question of can the price start to chip away and build higher lows and build upon this momentum. We'll see what happens next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.